Welcome to all. I explain solid modeling using primitives and Boolean operation. This 3D model isometric drawing, how to solve in the Autocad, I explain now. First, you can ensure that in southwest isometric view. Then you have to make one wedge and one box, one cylinder and one more box. Here two boxes, one outer box one and inner box one. Okay, this model how to solve in the Autocad I explain now. First, you have to use a 3D model features. Box, you have to select box. I explain all the primitives how to explain. Now, first select the box, then somewhere click here, and in the command bar, you got to select the length option and ensure that iso ortho mode on. Okay, length of this box 76, enter, and width also 76, enter, and the height of the box as per drawing 72, enter. Make one box like this. Next, one inner side box you have to use Boolean operation and subtract this. So we are drawn the outer box. Okay, another one small box again draw. Select box command. Somewhere click and select the length option. And this length is small box is 50, enter, and the width also 50, enter, and the height of the box 54, enter. Two primitives I drawn, one box, one smaller box. Another one, this wedge also available in the 3D features. Select wedge directly and somewhere click in the length option. Command bar, select length option, and this wedge length is as per drawing 50. Total is this is 56. You have to do 52. Enter this, and thickness of wedge. This thickness of wedge as per drawing 22, enter, and height. Now give the height. Height is again 54, enter. 54, okay, 54, enter. You draw like this. Okay. Now this wedge is this direction we need. So just you got to rotate. Select the wedge, enter. Keep any corner. Do like this. Okay. Another one, this cylinder, you have to make a hole. It is a through hole. See here, it is through hole. Okay. So make one cylinder. Select cylinder and somewhere click the mouse and diameter of select. Diameter option you got to select. Diameter is as per question 25 dia, enter, and height is 76, enter. Here to here 76, you make a through hole. So made one cylinder with a length of 76, diameter 25. Next, we are making this box and here to here make one box also. Select box, somewhere click and select the length option. Ensure that ortho mode on. Okay, this length is 56, enter, and this length is 76, enter. and height is as per question 18 enter. Okay, here to this height is 18, this corner to this length is 56. Okay, this box same height, so it is same length, 76 mm. I take this also 76 mm. Here, so half round, we make a half round curve, so you have to use solid editing. In the solid editing, select a fillet edge. The first one is fillet edge. Select fillet edge. In the command bar, select radius. When it is totally 76, so by 2, 38. Enter. Select the two corners, first corner, another edge, and enter, double enter. Okay, these are all the primitives. Okay, this primitives and Boolean operation using make this model, this 3D model. That is your task. Okay, now how to explain, I know how to do this. First, go to home, use move command, select the object, enter. See here, this corner you should move here. This is move here. Select, enter, move here. Okay. Next, this wedge should be move it here. Move, select, enter. Move the cursor in the top of the wedge. One small triangle is coming. It is a midpoint of the wedge. This midpoint you have to select. Keep like this. Okay. Next, you have to make subtraction, Boolean operation. So I change it shades of gray. Okay. Now see here, you have to keep inside here. So select diagonal line first draw. It is easy way to do the subtraction. Do that. The top surface make a diagonal line. Okay. This small box also make diagonal line. Okay. Now select on a remove command. Select the box and lines. Enter. Move the cursor center of the diagonal line, midpoint. Select the midpoint and midpoint here. Okay. See here. Change it wireframe. The boxes were moved inside. Okay. Now you have to do the subtraction and remove the box inside. Okay. Go to solid. Select subtraction command. Select subtract. Select the bigger object, outer object first. Enter. Select the inner box. Enter. Okay. Now it is subtracted. Next, this diagonal line no need. You have to select and delete this line only. Delete. Next, you will make a hole here. So this cylinder make this direction, then insert. Okay. So but it is vertically like this. So you want to rotate this. Select 3D rotate. In 3D model, 3D rotate option available. Select 3D rotate. select the circle cylinder, enter. Here this wheel you have to select. This which direction you need, that's wheel you have to select. I need this direction, so this color will select and rotation angle 90, enter. Okay. Here also you have to use a diagonal line here to here. Make one diagonal line. It is useful for move and Boolean operations. So select move command, select the cylinder, enter. Midpoint of the cylinder, move in midpoint. Delete. Select the move command, select the cylinder, enter. This midpoint and this midpoint. Now it is inside. Figure. It is inside. Okay. I change it southwest isometric view. Now you make use Boolean operation, subtract the cylinder from the box. Okay, solid, subtract, select the box, enter, select the cylinder inside, enter. Okay. Now this line you need, you have to delete. Okay. Now all the primitives are separated. So I use move command, select this, enter. See here it is subtracted. So here the union all primitives joined together. Okay. So select solid, select union command, select all, enter. Now it is one single entity. Okay. Now you want to color any color, change like this. Okay.